Sri Hai Rakhan Bihari Jagamala Hari Maya Jagamala Hari Daya Mai Devesi Daya Mai Devesi Jai Jagadananda
अक्षय नवमी को जरूर नहाना चाहिए। सुबह जल्दी निकला था ना।
We came to India to see Muni Raj, our guru, and we had a big surprise when we arrived at his home. He had planned a special fire ceremony called Havan. We were very lucky to arrive and have that happen. And I love to go to these fire ceremonies because they're so special and profound. It's like a Thanksgiving, really. The guru offers ghee and flowers and coconuts and grain to the fire itself, and the fire is considered the mouth of the mother. And then other people sit around the fire, and every time we say swaha, you all offer something to the fire. And it's like giving back to the mother, as I understand it.
पंचामृतानं समर्पयामि कृतस्नानं नवनीत समर्पन्नं सर्वसंतोषकारकं कृतं तुभ्यं खीर ओम मधुवासारिताय ते मधुचरन्ति हिन्दवः माधुर्गावो भवन्तु नो दिव्ये पुष्पैर्मधुं गृह्णातं प्रतिगीयतां क्षुधार्कमधुभूता शर्करा पुटिकारिका मलापहारिका दिव्यास्नानार्थं प्रतिगीयतां तां सदा शिवाय नमः सद्गुरुवे नमः ततस्तु दक्षिणाम् ओम शुद्धबालः सर्वशुद्धबालो मणिबालस्तारिणः।
Havan is a very ancient sort of way of celebration, whether it is celebration at births or marriage or any auspicious religious occasion. Hindus have been celebrating with Havan, and it is of course a celebration in which fire is the central sort of deity, and you offer your prayers to the fire, which is accompanied by grains and with butter, which is called ghee in India. So each time you offer something to the fire, you say a mantra, and each mantra is offered again to a divinity, whether it is in some cases the Divine Mother or Shiva or Hanuman or nature. Each of these elements which play a very important role in the life of any person in India, so we offer our prayers to the fire, accompanied by the appropriate mantra to that entity.
प्रभासां यथा ज्वलन्तीं श्रियं लोके देवदुष्टामदारां तां पद्मनेमीं शरणं प्रत्यय लक्ष्मीर्मित्वां लोमी स्वाहा मां देवसखा कृत्य च मरणासा प्रादुर्भूतो च कृत्यमिद्धिं ददातु मे स्वाहा
नाशाम्य माभूतिं मसमर्दं च षडान्धृतु मे ग्रहात्
तद्वारं द्रावर्षां नित्यवृष्टां करीषणीमीश्वरीं सर्वभूतानां दामिहोपहवे श्रियम्मा
गोलिं माता शतमतिर्मयि पशूनां रूपमन्य च महिषी श्रेतां यथ
प्रजाभूतामयि सम्भव कर्तमो श्रियं वासे मेकुले मात्रं पद्मालिनीं
नित्य देव मात्रं श्रियं वासे मेकुले
पुष्करणे पुष्टिं पिङ्गलां पद्मालिनीं चन्द्रामिरणमेव लक्ष्मीं जातवेदोमावह
यज्ञगौणां हिमालिनीं सूर्यां हरणमयि लक्ष्मी जातवेदोमावह
जातवेदो लक्ष्मी मनपकामनी वस्त्रां ऋणं प्रभूतं गावो दाशोषान् विन्देयं पुरुषानः
भूत्वादिजादाजमण्डलं सूक्तं परन्तं श्रीकाम शतं जपेत् कमलवासिनी ऐं कमलवासिनी ऐं कमलवासिनी ऐं ह्रीं क्रीं चामुण्डाय विच्ची ऐं ह्रीं क्रीं चामुण्डाय विच्ची ऐं ह्रीं क्रीं चामुण्डाय विच्ची
विश्वेशं जगद्धात्रे संहारकारिणीं निद्रां भगति विष्णुरुद्रां ते स प्रभो
भुवाचो
तुम स्वादे काला सुरात्मका सुधा तुम क्षण्यते द्रहा मात्रात्मिका स्थिता
नित्यायानुचार्या सहितो तुमेव संजाता विपीतुं देवी जन्ये परा
तद्धाजीव संते तत्सदेतगत्वे तद्वादयितुमस्सन्ते सर्वदा.
This was instigated by Babaji. It's an ancient ceremony, and he brought it back to India, and he actually healed the famine of the country by doing these havans. So miracles happen when you do these havans, and one of my gurus named Shastraji told me that it actually is so powerful it changes the elements. So of course the priests say very profound ancient mantras during the fire. I don't really know the meaning of all of them, and I wish I did. Maybe Uday can explain that. But so while the offering is going on to the fire, ancient mantras are recited.
This is a practice which has been followed from the very ancient times, from the Vedic times. In fact, in Vedas, there is reference to Havan. The key word, the Sanskrit word in Havan is Hu. That is called the beach, the seed. And Hu means to eat, so in a way we offer something to the fire which the fire consumes. And at another level, we put a lot of fragrance, and all these things are supposed to go up and mix with the atmosphere and kind of cleanse, the world around us. So it's a very ancient tradition, and works on many different levels.
परिवारितो तमानाद बला दुष्टां कीशाकर्षण विफलां
कस्यदेव तिष्ठवसन्तप्यवडाप्रियक्तोगन्धरीवास
सर्वाचो
इन्नावदस्तिग्रब्दत्योदं लोचनं दुतसहसातमसान्तं ययो
ओदितुनाचल शब्दां दकातुते प्राति मूलं सुमनि संभयोः
तामतुलदारुमेते तलोमते केता विबलां
देवीवाचो
वेदबलां सनाबनानि अमेदते करोम्यहं अम्बे अम्बिके अम्बालिके नमः जयति कचन असत्यप्रका सुभद्रिका काम्बीरवासिनी
गंगाय परिवाराय सायुधकाय शक्तिकाय वाहनाय नाना विजाति चातेसी महासरस्वती महाउतिं समर्पयामि नमः स्वाहा
प्राणाय स्वाहा पानाय स्वाहा व्यानाय स्वाहा द्वानाय स्वाहा समानाय स्वाहा. ओम ऋषिर्वाच स्वाहा
दंडमुंड पुरोगमा दुर्गो वेदा विदतायुधा स्वाहा
विशततं व्यस्ता सिंहर्गजन्यसंसे कांचने स्वाहा.
And another aspect is that when we say the mantras, we also offer it from our heart, and the more sincere we are, the more deeper we are, the more our kind of mantras are accepted, and therefore we receive stand to benefit from those.
अनन्याय च
अग्नि वरनामाग्नि स्वाहायदमग्ने अग्नि नमः।
So when you're watching this video, take advantage of this as an opportunity for you to experience what we experienced here. You can look at the fire and you can offer up your gratitude and anything that you want to let go of in your life that you want to release, you can release to the fire. And so every time you watch this video, you can do that. So you can keep coming back and observing how you feel, and what goes on with you every time might be different every time you see the video.
नमः शंभवाय च मयोभवाय च नमः शंकराय च महेश्वराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च
भगवते महामनिन्द्राय भगवते महामनिन्द्राय भगवते महामनिन्द्राय
कैलासगिरिवरे रम्ये निवसन्तं सुरान्वितं निंसतं वन्दे सदाकारुण्यरूपिणां
श्रवणमात्रेण ततो गोपि साधको सद्गुरुं तमं वन्दे हराखानवासिनां
सत्त्वाकटाक्षेण धन्यो भोजमानः तस्य पादरेकं प्रणमामि निरन्तरं
देवेश कोमलमेश भाक्रं दण्डो विकोमलं कोमलाङ्गं नमाम्यहं
दृष्टिं मयि कृतया प्रसादात् लोकोपान्यतो रागदेशः विवर्जितः
धारोधानगम सदा शतं परं चिदानन्द तस्मामि सर्वदा
हरे देव हरे भक्तो हरे दान परा हरे नामृतं वितो हरे दान परम व्रजेत
कालानां दिव्यानां सुदुर्लभं साक्षात् किमपि तुम्हि
श्री है राधा